Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the difference between copywriting and content writing. By the way, if this is the first time you're coming on this channel, my name is Jesse and I make videos around copywriting and how to make money online through copywriting. Now here's the deal, so many people keep wondering, is it copywriting, is it content writing? I'm really confused. I'm a copywriter, don't I also write content? Well, I'm going to be showing you the difference in this video. Before we get started, I want you to do something very simple for me. Now, I would like you to get to this page, and right over here, I want you to click on the subscribe button. Now, I'm trying to build a community of copywriters and freelancers so we'll come together and learn a lot from each other. So you will be supporting me and supporting this movement by subscribing to this channel and being a part of this community. So I would like you to head over here right away and click on the subscribe button. If you've done that, let's get straight into the video. I've taken some time out to create a little document that will help us to flow better. Now I'd like you to take some time to follow me up as I'll be taking it one step at a time, guys. So let's get started. Now, copywriting versus content writing. That's the whole talk around the internet. What's the difference? So many people are confused about it. Now, what is copywriting? These two things are so interwoven in a way. And sometimes it's so interwoven that it also overlaps. And if you are looking at your screen right now, you see that the two words are often seen as overlapping and interchangeable terms when creating website content for online businesses. However, there are many differences between them, and that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. Now, what is copywriting? Copywriting is a highly professional job where individuals write compelling content and creative usage of style, tonality, and prominence. The intent of copywriting now is to attract readers to click or to buy a particular product or a particular brand being advertised by you or by your business. Now, if you've been on this channel, you should know by now that I talk mostly about copywriting. That's because I've been a copywriter for over 7 years and I've been making money solely through copywriting. Now, for me, copywriting has been very profitable. That's why I talk about copywriting most of the time. Now, if you're looking at your screen, copywriting is exactly the way you see it on the screen. Copywriting is your ability to write something that is compelling enough to make somebody take an action, to make somebody so attracted that he has to make an action on that particular page or on that particular write-up. Now, let's now find out what content writing means. Now, content writing is the act or action of conducting extensive research by gathering data, metrics, and statistics to construct high-quality, engaging, and consistent content to educate, entertain the target audience. Now, if you have looked at this and look at the previous thing, you discover there's a very big difference between the two of them, even though they are easily interchangeable. Now, the difference here is that someone who is a content writer is all interested in making research and writing content that are highly valuable for the purpose of what? Entertaining you or probably educating you about a particular topic or a particular content. Now, the difference between the two is that a content writer is practically not a copywriter, because a copywriter can still do some level of research, but his target is to make sure it is thrilling enough that it catches your attention and makes you to take an action on that page. That is the basic difference between both, so don't confuse them together. If you've been confusing them before, today, make a change. So, the key difference here is what? The difference between copywriting and content writing lies in the purpose of copy and content, respectively. Now, in copywriting, the term copy or sales copy refers to write-ups designed to increase brand awareness by providing an incentive for communicating and convincing potential customers to take an immediate desired action. In content writing, the term content refers to write-ups that are designed to not only convey information or messages to the website visitor, but also to increase visibility of the website. Now, this shows you a little bit about SEO. And that's why most times, most content writers are very good with SEO, that's search engine optimization, because most contents, if they are not optimized to rank on the search engine, they are not good enough because nobody will see them. So that's why most of the time, content writers are always very good with SEO, placing the right keywords. It doesn't mean that copywriters shouldn't be good with SEO, However, for content writers, some of the key metrics they need as part of their skills should be SEO, which is search engine optimization. Your ability to write a content that ranks high on Google rankings is what makes you exceptional as a content writer. Please don't confuse the two of them. Copywriting has everything to do with writing thrilling and engaging words. Thrilling and engaging words that are able to make you to take an action. Now, these are the two. This is the difference. If you're looking straight on your screen, you can see that content writing and copywriting are absolutely different. Now, take a look at this. Now, content writing has to sometimes uses storytelling to talk about the business, right? It informs the reader. It keeps the reader engaged. It builds audience. It deals with longer forms of content. For example, blogs, websites, white papers. Most of these contents are long, and it's your ability to make adequate research on that topic and portray that topic, rank it in these blogs, in this website, for them to be seen by your target audience. That's what makes you a good content writer. Your ability to do your good research and come up with content that are valuable to your target audience. What about copywriting? Copywriting is meant to drive leads. So if you write a content and the content is not able to drive leads, or if you write a copy and the copy is not able to write leads, trust me, you've just written a content, that's it. But if you're able to write copies that drive leads, that drive sales, that makes people to take action, that makes people, wowed on the page, so wow that they want to click on, find out the next point. What do I do next? Do I have to subscribe to your channel? Do I have to click to find out, or do I have to go to your website to find out more information? That can only be done by a copywriter. Now, a copywriter has a way of urging readers to take action. A copywriter has a way of using emotional and social connection to make you to do what he wants you to do. Right? Everything about copywriting is more of skill. That's the difference between content writing and copywriting. Anybody can be a content writer. Just anybody out there can be a content writer. Because you can know something I don't know, and you can write a content about it and place it on your blog or your website. People get to see it, people get to read it. You're a content writer, but you just can't be a copywriter just like that, because your ability to pick up copy, to write something that will make someone to be convinced enough to take an action on the page is not that easy. That's one of the things I teach on this channel. I teach you how to write a copy that makes people crazy. In fact, want to open their wallet and literally throw money on you. Right? So if you can't write a copy that makes someone to get so wild, in fact, get so confused and doesn't just know what to do, but just to pick, to make that action. Guess what? If you can't do that, then you're not a copywriter. That's why it takes time, it takes practice to get better at copywriting. And that's what I teach on this channel. Copywriting is ideal for ads, copywriting is ideal for emails, copywriting is ideal for newsletters. Now, everything I teach on this channel has everything to do with copywriting. So if you're on this channel, if you love copywriting, if you want copywriting, stick on this channel. There are so many videos I have on this channel at the moment. You could check. Some of them could be showing up on your screen right now. Check some of these videos, watch them. I talk so much about email copywriting. I talk so much about video scripts. I talk so much about sales copies, different styles of sales copies, right? So if you haven't taken time to go through my channel, I will encourage you to subscribe today. Click on the bell notification button so that you'll be one of the first to get some of these informations and cash in on them and help yourself to grow as a copywriter. Now, if you are confused, which one should you do? Should you be a content writer? Should you be a copywriter? Well, that's a question I have for you today. Would you prefer to be a copywriter or a content writer? Leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell me, which one do you prefer? For me, I would prefer to be a copywriter. Would you prefer to be a content writer? Let me know in the comment section. Right? So write in the comment section, I want to be a copywriter or I want to be a content writer. Either of them, let me know what you think, guys. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe again. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Cheers.